Hey everybody, so I talked about how this DJI Osmo Mobile was giving me some trouble on a bike. It wasn't really working well. So I got rid of the Amazon mount that doesn't have the shock on it, and I bought the $50 super, it's more betterer because it's more expensive mount from DJI. I updated the firmware and I recalibrated this thing. So let's see how well this works on a bike. So here I am on 6th Street, and once this traffic light turns, I'm gonna ride around a little and see if it still is dead. We're gonna see what type of speeds this thing can support. So I'm pedaling at a pretty slow speed right now, and we'll see if it stays up and works. I'm gonna pedal my way to East 5th Street at a really slow speed. Looks like I'm moving about 7 miles an hour right now. 6-7 miles an hour. Okay, so 6-7 miles an hour it can do. Now we're gonna go up to about 9 miles an hour. And it's dead. So I have not even made it to 4th Street, and as you can see, the thing actually turned around and is facing me. So even at 9 miles an hour on a paved road, this thing is completely incapable of being a gimbal. So this little, I have no idea how in God's name DJI has the balls to sell a $50 mount to this thing, knowing full well that it will never work properly on a bike. And I did a little bit of reading online, and I've seen some demo videos where they show it working, but the thing is I haven't seen a lot of videos from normal users, and when I look it up on forums, a lot of people seem to be having similar problems with this thing. And this is not the DJI Osmo 2, it's the DJI Osmo 1. This is a pretty terrible product for the price if you don't advertise that it won't work on a bike. And before somebody says they don't say it'll work on a bike, they sell a $50 bike shock mount for it. Watch how fast I can kill this thing if I decide to go a little faster. So let's say I decide to do a little this. It'll be dead before I even make it to 2nd Street. Yep, and it died. So that's that. Those are my thoughts on the Osmo. I gave it a choice, updated its firmware, calibrated it again, and got the special, super expensive $50 mount. But my opinion is that this thing is a steaming pile of crap, and DJI should be ashamed that they sell this $50 bike mount for it. So that's it for today, and as always, I hope you learned something.